saga. Andrew Omofoma don't lose a wife because of saga. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you never subscribe, may you go subscribe so that you go to hear many ogbonge news wey dey come out for here. Thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about Andrew Omofoma. Andrew Omofoma na presenter for Facebook, and at the same time he still dey do saga sometimes. My darling people, my correct people, I can't see video where his wife, he can't cry, come out now say his wife say he not dey do again, he not dey marry again because the humiliation, the insult wey they give her, e dey too much. He say he not fit again because of the saga wey Andrew Omofoma dey do. His wife dey vex because of that one. His wife say he not dey marry again. Now it make me, I dey always dey tell people say, if you dey do saga, not be all women dey like am. Not be all women go fit tolerate am, you understand? Some men too, they not go fit tolerate am if their wife dey do am. But I dey wonder for some kind people wey be say they dey this our Facebook, wey be say if they dey do saga, their husband sef go able to join them dey do am. Some their husband not dey able to talk. Sometimes I go dey wonder say, now you marry the man, I been na the man marry you. Sometimes na so me I dey wonder, but not know how una the reason una oh. And Andrew Omofoma now, his wife say he no dey do again. As I dey talk to una now, the wife don pack a load, e don comot. And so Andrew Omofoma tell lose the wife because of saga. Saga, e no be better thing. Saga no be better thing for social media. Mona stop saga, una no go hear. Andrew Omofoma now don lose the wife because of saga. How una come reason this matter now, my darling people? I go put the video where in they use the man the shop on you so. When in they use the man they talk, how in waka for his life now. As I dey talk to Nana, Andrew Omofoma don slim, don come down because the thing really weigh am down well. Because the wife don tell am say either you choose saga or you choose me. Andrew Omofoma choose saga. Yeah, sorrow. I go put video for Nana Mona watch, my darling people. Bye.
Suffer for queen hand. I suffer well. She not be bad woman, but she don't know the limit to get understanding. Say marriage na marriage. It's a man. Can any man take and say your former wife go come because say he born for Yoruba man, you can't put the Yoruba man picture for inside house. You can't see him. Say yes, the inside house where you dey, they pay house rent. Pikin we go put the papa picture for inside house, the sample. Then I call the two men, they run marriage for my land, a taboo. A big taboo with that. That's how the pain we and the pass through. The pain we and the pass through. I marry my wife. I not marry my wife with her daughter together. But sometimes I will control my wife to tell her, say, these things are not right. She dey get this anger for me. How can a woman not sit down a taboo? A taboo. Big taboo. A good Benin woman go accept her daughter to put picture for the ex-husband inside the same house. Is that not a great taboo? I will take queen do me. I will take queen do me. I will take joy queen do to Andrew Omofoma. Those things I go play, I quarrel. This woman say I not be good man. Make her just forget, make her forgive, make her let everything just go like that. I not fit take taboo. I'm not gonna let you rest now. This way, I'm gonna let you rest. You go rest. I just talk some of my stories, brief ones. I get hiccup. Yeah, I go and go drink milk. Let me go and drink milk. And relax. I did for sick leave now. But obviously I don't my marriage is gone. Seriously gone. There's no two ways about it, it's gone. A stupid woman. You don't need person like I don't want my again. The thing with pay me pass it, huh? The thing I train from small picky can reach adult. I get hiccup. You can't put picture of the papa for inside my house. I'll come tell my wife, say no. My wife not go take her, say yes, this is a big taboo. Abomination from where I from come. Big abomination. Since then, I did look this woman. Is this woman real or fake? I was looking at her. Then I get anger inside me. She don't understand, say all these things will generate to something else. You can be comfortable. I'll tell you, say this is not taboo. As an innocent man, you go say, it can be possible, it's not possible. And I can't see tell her friends, some of her stupid friends, say, see what this woman they do. Those stupid Yelekutes in Europe. If you understand, say there's a borderline to separate certain things. And then the advisor say, Andrew Wankma too harsh, it's too sweet, but I stand for truth. I know they lie, I don't feel like till I will die. I don't feel like till I die, I stand for truth. So I don't ask me, I ain't the broadcast, I don't want to show my house. I don't want to show my house until I sit down. Yeah, I don't like. I don't want my get hiccup. The truth of the story, say, my wife love her daughter past me. So, a wife need to love the husband. Queen of Yahweh love the daughter pass and Jomofoma. And what I conclude, and what I believe, and what I know. Because I trained the Peking for many years to try to systemize some things. But Queen, no, she not let anything happen. She don't let anything good happen. You say she define perfect man. Now what is she dey cry? Perfect man. Perfect man not dey exist. He not dey. So I'm done. I'll drink water now. Let me drink water. Let me drink water. I have to drink water. May I go fridge, take water. Go fridge, let me take water. It's strong hard worker like me, the joy of every woman, a vibrant man like me. I don't want on light for my room. I don't want to see my room. I did that this magic water. Somebody say me and some of magic water. Yeah. I don't drink water. I don't drink water. It is swear, my people. So, make I leave now. Cassava sweet. Make I send my number to you. Gallant heart. See, I know say pain you, but no worry, we go find